When you think of Burger King or Warren Buffett, you think America.
Have it your way at Burger King.
But now, the iconic American brand and investor are teaming up to relocate the fast food chain outside of the United States. Here's the deal. Burger King announced it's buying Canadian donut house Tim Hortons and moving the combined company headquarters north of the border. That creates an opportunity for the company to write off some of its U.S. corporate taxes and avoid paying U.S. taxes on earnings abroad. Buffett, one of the most patriotic businessmen in the country, has been highly critical of loopholes in the tax code for individuals, saying the wealthy should pay more.
I think we should raise taxes on the very rich.
So is he now helping Burger King potentially avoid U.S. taxes? Burger King is the most recent and biggest brand name company to attempt moving its headquarters. In April, Warren Buffett commented directly on this practice, known as an inversion.
It's just gotten way out of hand because tax rates are so low in certain countries. It's a crazy situation, but it's developed over the years, and that part of the tax code is really going to have to get looked at hard at some point.
The U.S. is often criticized for having one of the highest corporate tax rates in the world, but companies often find ways to offset their bills to the government. Just to put this into context, last year corporate taxes were 1.6% of GDP, less than half of what they were 50 years ago. Burger King's own executives say the deal classifies as an inversion, but they also say it won't shrink their tax bill. With many Americans still feeling the sting of the recession, it's no surprise this is a political issue.
It's not fair. It's not right. The lost revenue to Treasury means it's got to be made up somewhere, and that typically is going to be a bunch of hardworking Americans.
But before we get too patriotic, it's important to remember, while Burger King may be an American brand, it has locations in 98 countries. Its international growth is key. And a Brazilian investment firm owns most of the company. Christina Alessi, CNN Money, New York.